Hi guys, today we'll show you how to replace the engine air filter in GMC Savana. There are 6 screws that hold it in place. You can either use the Phillips screwdriver or square bit, and we will also need to remove this connector. In order to remove the connector, first you have to pull away, and then you guys have to push it and pull the connector off. Now you can pull the cover up, and inside you guys will see the filter. Carefully pull it out. This is how the filter looks like. As you can see, it is quite dirty, guys. A lot of debris accumulated on the sides as well. This is the front side, and right here we have the part number. Insert the new one. Make sure that the cover goes in the back of the assembly all the way on both sides, and only after that you will be able to close it completely. Make sure all screws are back in place. And now it's a good idea to double check all the screws and tighten them manually. Reconnect the connector. Engine air filter replacement is complete.